I'm very excited to tell you about a device that helped me keep my hair and that can likely help you keep yours. This is the Elite device made by iRestore, and it's a brand new top-of-the-line device that uses low-level laser therapy to help promote follicle growth and stop you from losing any new hair. Now, before we get into the device and how it works, I'd love to just share briefly a little bit about my hair loss journey. I always had a full head of hair. I was very lucky growing up. In fact, my ex-girlfriend used to call me Jimmy Neutron because my hair used to be so big and so full. But when I got to medical school, things changed. My stress level increased, I exercised less, and I noticed that my hair started to thin in the front. I would take a shower and I'd be washing my hair and I would see hairs coming out, and it was getting noticeable. In fact, other people started mentioning it as well. Hair was a big thing to me, and I wanted to do everything possible to keep my hair. Now, I was in medical school, so I knew a little bit, but I really dove in and looked at some of the treatments that were available to us for hair loss. Now, what just about every doctor recommended, and this is what my friends said as well, there's only two FDA-approved treatments for hair loss. There's minoxidil and there's oral finasteride. Oral finasteride, you knew the prescription. Topical minoxidil, you can go and buy this over the counter, such as in Rogaine or Bosley. This is 5% minoxidil. So what did I do? I tried everything. I got the oral finasteride and I had some side effects that I really didn't like with that, so I had to stop shortly after. The minoxidil I was using, but I actually saw more hair falling out, which is normal once you start using minoxidil. But then I started looking outside of conventional medicine for treatments that doctors maybe weren't aware of yet. I knew there was a lot of things like this across other areas of medicine, so of course this had to exist in hair as well. So I found a couple of things. I found PRP injections and I found these low-level laser therapy helmets. So I went out and bought the Pro device, the white version of this, from iRestore because they were the most reputable company. They were FDA cleared and it looked like they had the most effective product. I also went out and scheduled an appointment for PRP injections into my scalp. And by the way, let me just touch briefly on that. It was one of the most expensive and painful experiences of my life. And I did that 3 times within 4 months to try and salvage any of the hair follicles that might have been dying so that they didn't actually fully die and I could come back to life and I could keep my hair. Now, fast forward 6 months, I don't do the PRP injections anymore. They're terrible and maybe they help, maybe they didn't. But now all I do is topical minoxidil and this helmet 3 times a week. And now my hair is as thick as ever. And as long as I keep on these treatments with my topical minoxidil and my LLLT helmet, I don't think I'll ever lose my hair again. So I hope this video brings you some value so you can maybe learn from my experiences, what's tried, what's failed, what to expect, and why I believe this Elite device could be the solution for you losing your hair. And with hair loss, you want to act quickly and you want to be decisive. The longer you wait, the higher a chance is that the hair follicles are actually going to die. Now, it is very easy to preserve dying hair follicles that are not dead yet by increasing circulation and delivering nutrients to those follicles. That's why the sooner that you start this treatment, the better. But if you wait too long and that follicle dies, there is no turning back. Your only choice is hair transplants. So let's talk about investment. Is this thing worth the money? Because no, it is not cheap. But cheap is relative. I must have spent $10,000 on PRP injections into my scalp. Now, compared to that, this helmet is very affordable, especially because it is a one-time fee, and this is going to last me for the rest of my life. And it also comes with a 12-month guarantee, so if you get this and it doesn't work, you can always return it. Now, yes, compared to conventional treatments like minoxidil and finasteride, this helmet is a little bit pricey, but like I said, it is a one-time fee for a device that holds its value and that will prevent you from losing your hair and having to go over to Turkey to get hair transplants, and now we're talking about tens of thousands of dollars. So yes, it's a little bit of an upfront investment, but it is absolutely worth it and will pay for itself if it helps you avoid hair transplants and avoid PRP injections. So my experience with the Elite device compared to the Pro device, and you may actually see that one behind me on that model, that's my old one, has been awesome. I think the company absolutely killed it. Obviously the device is more powerful, so what that means to me is I have to use it less frequently. So instead of using the device every single day, I can use the device every other day. And for someone who's busy like me or who travels on the weekends, that is enormous. So yes, it's a little bit more expensive than the Pro device, but for the added power, I think it's 100% worth the added investment. I'll say in terms of comfort and strength, it's hard to really feel a difference. They're both very comfortable, but you can tell this one gets a little bit hotter, which I like. It means that the lasers and the LEDs are actually working stronger and it's more powerful. All right, now comparing the two devices, their price points, the strength, how many lasers and diodes they use, let's first talk about the Elite device, the new device. So this one does run for about $2,500 before any discounts, and you can get a discount using my code. We'll talk about that at the end. But this Elite device has 500 lasers and LEDs. LEDs. Now compare that to the Pro device that has about 282 lasers and LEDs, so this one's almost twice as powerful, meaning you can use it less frequently and the time spent in each treatment is a little bit less. So if you need to save some money and buy the Pro device, you can do that. Just know that your treatment time might be a little bit longer and you may have to use it more frequently to get the same results in less time than you would get with the Elite device. Now both of these devices do use the same Lumitech technology. So what is this fancy word? What does it mean? Lumitech is a technology that iRestore uses that combines lasers and LEDs. See, lasers penetrate much deeper into the scalp, so they can stimulate hair follicles that may not be right at the surface. That's why lasers are so important in stimulating hair follicle growth. LEDs act more at the surface, but you can use a broader range of wavelengths. So it's really important when you're buying one of these devices, make sure that it has both lasers and LEDs. And to be safe, you may as well use the best in class, iRestore. This is not something that you want to risk by getting some knockoff product that uses LEDs that is not actually going to help you. Not only that, if they do have lasers and LEDs, they might not have high enough quality lasers. iRestore uses VCSEL lasers. These are the highest quality lasers that you can put in one of these devices. It's going to make sure that you actually get medicinal doses of lasers and LED into your follicles so that you can actually see a clinical difference. So why LLLT? Why iRestore? Does this even work? How does it even work? The main effect of the lasers and the LEDs is to increase blood flow and circulation at the level of the follicle. It also decreases inflammation. So one of the main causes of hair loss at the follicle level is that the hair follicles stop receiving all of the nutrients and growth factors that they need to keep producing hair and keep staying alive. By encouraging blood flow at the follicles and decreasing inflammation at the same time, you're able to make sure that those follicles continue to receive the growth factors and nutrients that they need to produce hair. And for those of you concerned about safety, the iRestore device has been cleared by the FDA. It is non-invasive and it's clinically proven. These devices really changed my hair loss journey, and I know that they can do the same for you. So if you're not already sold, they do have a 12-month guarantee. So if you buy the device and you're not happy with the results, you can send it back and get your money back within 12 months. And iRestore is also kind enough to give me a code to give you to save you some money on this device, because I know it can be a little bit of an investment, but it's highly worth it. So use the code Dr. Feldman, DrFeldman, to save on this device right now. So please go over there, get one of these devices. You don't have time to waste. As soon as your hair follicles die, there is no bringing them back. So make this investment. If you're not happy, you have 12 months to return it. Use the code Dr. Feldman, and thank you so much for watching, and I hope this helps you in your hair loss journey.